All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Here to your left, you have something that they claim to be the biggest McDonald's in the Philippines, and some say even in Asia. Didn't take time to stop by there, but we have been down in San Fernando. So this one is located in what they call now the capital town of Pampanga, and it's like a new area that they have built up. Anyway, this McDonald's is about 1,000 square meters. That would be square footage over 10,000, and they claim it's the biggest one in the Philippines, though. So it probably is. Anyway, we have been down in San Fernando, and we are about to head back home, and I figured I stick the camera on top of my head and we go from there. All right, so to give you an idea of where we are at, we are on a road called Lazatin Boulevard, I think, and heading up towards MacArthur. Lazatin is like a little shortcut. Here's the bridge. Here to your left, if you're coming down this way and make a right turn from Andoer, you go straight into Olongapo and that area, Lubao. And been taking you there a couple of times, and we'll do it soon again, hopefully, once all the restrictions here are lifted. Anyway, a beautiful day for riding motorcycle. Look at these cloud formation, guys. It's still sunny, but that's a phenomena you see a lot here. It feels like all these almost like figures. The one there to the left looks like a bear or something. What a beautiful day to ride, and traffic is not bad at all today. Anyway, I got Ryan in the back, and I'm not using my helmet cam, so we're trying to use the gimbal and try to do that. You can probably see my head a little bit, and he is operating the camera going back home. Beautiful day. Here we are just about to get up here on MacArthur, and once we're on MacArthur, it's a straight shot right into Angeles and back up into Mabalacat, so it's not very far. It's a beautiful day to be riding. Here we have a little traffic light, and we'll just wait and go. All right, time to go. That stop is about 2, 3, 4 minutes, so I cut it out of the video. so you guys don't get bored sitting there at the traffic light. All right, so this is MacArthur Highway, and from here in San Fernando it's pretty much a straight shot right into Angeles, and we stay on MacArthur Highway all the way through Mabalacat. We could keep going, and if you do, you get all the way up to Baguio. I don't know MacArthur Highway, I think goes all the way from Manila and all the way up to Baguio. So you can stick on it. But anyway, this takes you through one of the bigger malls here in San Fernando, and I think it's called SM Telebastagan. So it's an SM mall, and that is just before you head into Angeles. Right. The other thing here in San Fernando is known for some incredible light shows and Christmas lights. Every season they have these little light shows. I am not quite sure this year what's going on with it, but it's been an awesome display, and well worth go down and have a look at it if you're around in this area. Like I said, I'm not quite sure this year with COVID and everything what's going on, but I do see quite a bit of lights coming up and all that. So check their San Fernando City Facebook, and you'll probably find it there. I can try to put a link into it in my description if I find it. All right, look here to the right, Red Horse Beer. San Mig Corporation, who manufactures that beer, is actually located here apparently. Didn't know that, but they are, so that's one good thing. I can get my beer. Anyway, I'm just joking, guys. I do have an occasional beer once in a while, but it's just for the taste and nothing else. Alright, so here, San Sebastian College, they claim to be a college that kind of is a budget college, but they do accountancy and civil engineering, tourism management, and a few other things. And if you are in line for college, maybe that's somewhere to go. I don't know. But they are located in San Fernando, so if you are ready to take some college classes, it might be a place to look at. All right, So we are nearing the Telebastagan NSMR. Maybe we have another 4, 5, 6 kilometers maybe. And that is the border of Andoer. Some guys are riding around on really noisy bike. Look at this one. Sounds like straight pipe. No exhaust system working there to dampen the sound for sure. They're actually starting to clamp down on that stuff. You know, bikes are getting noisy and officers are now starting to clamping down, which I think is good. It's uncalled for. That noise is just like aggravating to me. I mean, if you're driving a Harley, I can understand the noise, but when you're driving 125 cc, that they try to make it sound like a Harley, then you can question it. So anyway, I just enjoyed the ride. Traffic flows really good today. No big deal. So we are enjoying this ride. Again, Ryan is riding with me, and he will handle the camera in the future for us, and that makes it easy on me. No helmet cam, no nothing. Just get on the bike and go. All right, that was another long stop. I cut it out because there are traffic lights here down here sometimes are 2, 3, 4 minutes, and I'll just cut it out and turn it on again when it's time to go. All right, guys, we're nearing the end of this ride, and just want to give everybody a reminder: live feed every Saturday evening at 8 p.m. from now on over the holiday, and that is Eastern, 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That would be in Manila Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we cut it down from 2 days a week to 1 day a week, and we're going to try to focus on getting some more videos out instead, and I think that has a bigger value. But if you have any requests, things you want to see, questions, things that we can document, things that we can film, things that we can do for you, don't hesitate at all to give us a call, and we go from there. For now, we are almost up in Telebastagan, SM, and Angeles City. And thank you for riding with us. God bless, and we go from there. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.